Understanding Taxiway, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific but interesting term, taxiway. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or just curious about this term, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the meaning of taxiway and understand its usage in English. A taxiway is a part of an airport. Unlike the runway, where airplanes take off and land, a taxiway is designed for planes to move between the runway, apron, or terminal. Think of it like the roads inside an airport specifically for airplanes. It's important in managing airport traffic and ensuring safety. Let's break down the term taxiway. It consists of two parts. 1. Taxi refers to the movement of an airplane on the ground under its own power. 2. Way indicates a path or route. So, taxiway literally means a path for airplanes to taxi. Now, let's see how to use taxiway in sentences. 1. The pilot steered the aircraft onto the taxiway after landing. 2. Ground control directed the plane to the nearest taxiway. 3. Due to heavy traffic, there was a delay on the taxiway. Understanding similar terms. Runway, where planes take off and land. Apron or ramp, where planes are parked, refueled, or boarded. Hangar, where planes are stored or maintained. And that's a wrap on today's lesson about the term taxiway. I hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of taxiway but also gives you a glimpse into airport terminology. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be more comfortable with these terms. Happy learning and see you in our next video.